The city of Hoboken was devastated by Hurricane Sandy. For the first time ever, the city was breached by the Hudson River, both in the south of Hoboken and the north of Hoboken. I'm Mayor Dawn Zimmer, here to tell you that we need help rebuilding our city. Thousands of homes were destroyed, and local businesses like the one behind me were destroyed that really support our community. 50% of our city was completely under floodwaters. Hoboken lost 3 of our 4 fire stations. Our hospital was completely flooded and had to be evacuated. Our senior center was completely flooded. The Boys and Girls Club was completely flooded. Our municipal garage was flooded. Our PATH train that takes us to New York City was completely flooded. Our city was devastated by this hurricane. We're going to get through it, but we need help. Please help us rebuild Hoboken. Visit rebuildhoboken.org to make a donation. Thank you so much.